take the train to Milan City, guys. Here's my daughter and two sons. So we're going there. We are going take a train and enjoy the schedule. The Milano Central Bilit yan. Collect your ticket. Yes, ticket for train. Waiting for train station. Wait, here we are. For train, guys. 5 minutes to go. Waiting train to Milan. Train to Milan City. Milan City. Yeah. We are here. We are in train and the second Susitano waiting for the train to Milan City. Enjoy. We take the train to Milan City. We are going to Milan City. We are going to take a train and 1 hour traveling. That is that side. Almost 10 minutes to go, so we are ready and Milan City. So we take train and take 45 minutes. Yes, we are for Bergamo, Italy. Good afternoon to everyone. We are in Milan Church. Here we are and the city. So take a look. Yeah, guys, it's nice. That is my daughter and my two sons there. Yes, we go in the church. It's so nice and beautiful, guys. It's amazing. And there's Otto there and there's Christian. Amazing, guys. Here we are, the church. And this is my daughter and my son. It's amazing. Yes. Wow. Grabe. A lot of people here. Finally, God, thank you, Lord. That is the blessing and sinurprise ako sa anak ko. Nagpunta kami sa Milan Cathedral Church, the Duomo. At bumili kaming ticket dito at mayroon kaming tour guide. So nag-explain siya sa bawat corner sa church. Grabe, guys, maamis ka sa loob ng simbahan. Made of the stone. Napakataas yung ceiling. Ang laking simbahan. Grabe. Magsabi ka na thank you, Lord, sa blessing gihatag sa amin. At thank you din sa anak ko na sinurprise niya ako sa unang holiday namin. Unang araw sa Milan. Talagang dinala ako sa anak dito para makabisit sa simbahan. That is the first day. So thank you my son. Alam niya talagang gusto ko magbisita sa church bawat mag-tour kami, kaya dinala niya ako dito. And this is the inside, guys. Grabe, makasabi ka na sa sarili mo, wow, paano nila ito ginawa? Ilang taon, ang ilang tao ang nagawa nito. Grabe, guys, napaka-amazing sa loob ng simbahan. This is it. At bawat nitong mga statue, may meaning yan, guys. Sa totoo lang, guys. Kayo na lang mag-research kung anong mga meaning. In-explain yan sa tour guide. Ako naman na basing kumukuha sa video. Pero kayo na lang mag-research kung anong mga meaning yan dyan. Sa totoo lang, guys. Parang na-miss ako. Ang palagi kong tiningnan yung ceiling. Napakataas talaga dyan. Tapos napaka-architect amateur talaga ang gumawa nito. Napaka yung bang paggawa nito, make time to make creative. This one, grabe. Ano ka sasabi sarili ko, grabe. Mayroon talagang miracle paggawa nitong simbahan na ito. So this is the Milan Cathedral Church. It's so amazing and beautiful. And this is a chatso. Mayroon siyang meaning din ito, guys. Kaya na rin mag-research kung anong meaning dito, guys. Basta ang ko lang, kinukunan ko lang picture na mga video dito na miss ko siya. Grabe. This is a big church in Milan City. So, at nakapasok na rin kami. Medyo may kamahalan yung entrance fee, pero deserve mo naman na makakita sa loob. Dito mo makita paano nila pagtayo, paano nila pag-architect nito, at ilang taon bago ito matapos o ilang tao ang gumawa nito. So that is the time na nagsindi ako ng candle as to have a good health to all my family. And this is the time to ask my daughter to take a photo. That is the back there is the altar in the church. That is the entrance in front of me, and the back, that is the altar in the church. So that is the time to make to everyone. Nalalabas kami, guys. Napakainit talaga sa loob. Sa totoo lang, guys. Grabe. Sabi ko sa mga nakalabas tayo. So, for the meantime, umupo kaming apat. And then, nagplano kami na saan kami bibili kami nga inumin dahil napakainit sa labas. But actually, I'm enjoyed and happy. And thank you for blessing God nga may opportunity kaming nakapag-visit nito. Kinunan ko na muna ng picture yung mga anak ko. And this is the time is almost 4 o'clock views outside in the Cathedral Church in Milan. So, Duomo Milan Church. So, ito nang time na, guys, na pupunta kami sa besides sa simbahan, may shopping mall, at doon kami bibili kami mga soft drink at kami muna, punta kami doon sa grocery para mag-take a rest kaunti dahil ang init ng panahon sa Milan, ng 30 temperature degrees, guys, dyan. So this is the Milan Church happening and first day holiday. So we are all happy, and thank you for watching.